Every day is a busy day for Peep, the little chick. So many friends around the farm, he wants to count and quick. Come join Peep on the numbers farm, where life is always fun. We learn to count from 1 to 5 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Numbers Farm.
Hey! I hear my two friends, Cindy the bird and Mindy the bird. Hi, Cindy the bird. Hi, Mindy the bird. Hi, Pete. We have a sore throat. There's only so much a bird can sing. You know what I mean? Can you please help me, Cindy the bird? I'm counting the animals on the farm, and I need to know how many birds are there on the farm. La 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 la. Sorry, sweetie. I'll do the talking. There are 2 of us on the farm. 2 birds. Cindy and Mindy. 1 and 2. 2 birds. So you and Mindy together are 2 birds? 2 birds on the farm? That's right, sweetie. 2 birds. 1 and 2. The 2 of us are singing our hearts out together every day. I get it. You and Mindy are 2 birds. 1 bird, 2 birds. 2 birds on the farm with beautiful singing voices. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye. La 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 la. Look, I see my friends Mickey and Vicky, the twin butterflies. Hi, Mickey the butterfly. Hi, Vicky the butterfly.
Hi, Peep. I'm Vicky. That's Mickey.
I'm sorry. I always get the 2 of you confused. You guys, can you help me with my counting, please?
You're counting animals, and you need to know how many butterflies are there on the farm, Peep.
That's right, Vicky.
I'm Mickey, Peep. And the answer to your question is 2. There are 2 butterflies on the farm, Peep. Vicky the butterfly, 1 butterfly, and Mickey the butterfly, 2 butterflies.
2 butterflies on the farm. 1 and 2. 2 butterflies. Right, Vicky?
That's right, Peep. 2 butterflies. 1 butterfly, 2 butterflies. There are 2 butterflies on the farm. But I'm Mickey, not Vicky.
2 twin butterflies. I got it. 1 and 2. 2 butterflies. Goodbye, and thanks, Vicky and Mickey. Or, is it Mickey and Vicky? Over there! I see my friends Rich the Crow and Mitch the Crow.
Hi, people's buddy. Are you out counting all of us again?
That's right, Rich the Crow. I've been counting animals all day. Can you please tell me how many crows are there on the farm?
That's easy, Peep. I am 1 crow. Mitch is 1 crow. Together, we're 2 crows. 1 and 2. 2 crows on the farm.
That is easy. 1 crow and another 1 crow are 2 crows. 1 crow, 2 crows. 2 crows on the farm. Right, Rich?
Absolutely right, Peep. You counted 2 crows. 1 crow and another 1 crow. Together, you got 2 crows on the farm.
2 crows. Great! 2 crows on the farm. you so much, Rich. See you two crows later.
Hi, Peep. How was your day, dear?
So much fun. I counted animals today, Mommy. First, I counted 2 birds. 1 bird, 2 birds. Then I counted 2 butterflies. 1 butterfly, 2 butterflies. And finally, I counted 2 crows. 1 crow, 2 crows.
My, what a busy day you had. Now answer me this, Peep. How many peeps does Mommy love?
1. There's only 1 peep who Mommy loves, and that's me.
That's right. Mommy loves 1 peep. 1 and only 1. You.